In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit Newsletter. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create, set up, and send a newsletter broadcast without feeling lost or overwhelmed. Let's start from inside your Kit dashboard. First, look for the main navigation where your sending options live. You'll want to hover over or click on the section labeled Send, and then choose Broadcasts. Think of broadcasts as one-time emails you send to a group of subscribers, like a weekly newsletter or a special announcement, rather than an automated sequence. Once you're on the broadcast page, you'll see a list of any emails you've already sent or scheduled. To create something new, find and click the button that says New Broadcast. This is your starting point for building a fresh newsletter. When you click New Broadcast, you'll be asked to choose a template. Here, you can select the newsletter template if you want a ready-made layout that's optimized for regular updates. This is great if you're just getting started or want a consistent, polished design. If you've already created your own custom email template, you can choose that instead. Custom templates are useful when you have a specific brand look, layout, or structure you like to reuse every time. After you've chosen your template, it's time to add your content. This is where you write the body of your email. Your introduction, main message, links, images, and any calls to action. Take a moment to make sure your content is clear, skimmable, and valuable to your readers. Along with the main content, you'll also enter your subject line. The subject line is crucial because it's the first thing people see in their inbox and has a big impact on whether they open your email. Aim for something short, specific, and aligned with what's inside the newsletter. When you're happy with your content and subject line, click Continue. On the next screen, you'll choose your audience. For a general newsletter, you might select something like All Subscribers, which sends your email to everyone on your list. If you use segments or tags, you can narrow it down to a particular group, but for a broad update, All Subscribers is usually the right choice. Once your audience is selected, click Continue again. Now you'll decide when the newsletter should go out. You have two options here. You can choose Send Now, which will immediately send the email to your selected audience, or you can choose Schedule. Scheduling lets you pick a specific date and time, which is ideal if you want your newsletter to land at a consistent time each week or match a particular launch or announcement. After confirming your choice, you're done. Your newsletter is either on its way or queued up for the exact time you selected.